Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Wednesday, October 29th. Royal Caribbean is rolling out a new loyalty perk called Points Choice next year. Now, the program will let guests use loyalty points across Royal Caribbean International, Celebrity Cruises, and Silversea, no matter what cruise line they've sailed with the most. This is an expansion of their 2024 status match program that gives cruisers more flexibility to explore different brands under the umbrella. The move, though, comes as Carnival faces backlash for loyalty changes that limit benefits and reset guest status. Royal Caribbean says more details are coming soon. And Carnival Corporation, the Miami Heat, and the Mickey and Madeline Arison Family Foundation have donated $1 million to Direct Relief to support recovery efforts in Jamaica. This is following Hurricane Melissa. Direct Relief is deploying 100 field medic packs and stands ready to send more supplies if needed. The organizations say the goal is to provide immediate medical help and long-term resilience. And $1.6 billion. That's what Royal Caribbean brought in during Q3. Now, with a total revenue of $5.1 billion, Royal Caribbean says strong demand for cruises and higher onboard spending has helped driving these records. The cruise line welcomed 2.5 million guests during the third quarter. That's up 7% from last year, with ship capacity hitting 112%, meaning more cabins were filled than originally expected. The company says that over half of the onboard purchases are made via the app before the cruise. And looking ahead, they're not slowing down. Royal Caribbean Group is planning new ship launches and expanding its land-based destinations, including a new beach club in Santorini opening next year. And cruise stocks were down on Tuesday. Carnival Corporation down 5%, 27.86. Royal Caribbean down 9%, 292.95. Norwegian down 5%, 22.35. And Viking down 2.8%, 58.70. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. tips@cruiseradio.net. Here in Boston, I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great Wednesday.